This is a song called "The Boys Are Back in Town." Who just got back today? Them wild-eyed boys that have been away haven't changed, haven't much to say. Man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around, how you was and where could you be found. Told them that you make a living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. The boys are back in town. Oh yeah. The boys are back in town.
For real. 27.
No, 27 years. Tang-ina, pinapag-naginipan ko to. I swear. Pinapag-naginipan ko to.
Love you, pare ko.
Yun lang yung samahan natin dati whenever since we were young. You know, tang-ina, pinapag-naginipan ko to. It's just...
Surreal.
I'm so happy. No, shoot, babe.
Baka umiyak yan.
Alam mo, iba yung samahan ng Pinoy. Kahit nasa ibang bansa ka talaga.
Yes, totoo.
Ate!
Ito pa isa to yung naman.
Yung mga tao sa paligid nyo, tol. Pinagdaanan natin lahat yan.
Yeah.
Yun namin, mataas, mababa, sama-sama tayo lahat.
Iba yung pakikisama ng mga...
There you go.
Yung mga pinalakihan natin.
Yeah.
Iba yung buhay.
Tsaka... No, for real. Salamat din sa Diyos talaga, tol. Buhay pa rin tayo lahat.
Iiyak na naman yan.
Buhay pa rin tayo lahat. That's it. Long live, long live.
Hindi ako nakirit ang ilang ako.
Get your knickers out.